Hello everyone, welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. This is tutorial number 41, Stability Analysis of Cantilever Retaining Wall supporting field slope using PLAXIS 2D. So in this tutorial we have this natural ground soil, and we want to construct a retaining wall near the top of this natural ground soil, and after that we want to backfill behind the retaining wall, and we will perform a safety analysis for this retaining wall supporting this field slope. So we will have this one. As I mentioned before, we have this natural ground soil, and then we will build this retaining wall, and after that we will fill behind the retaining wall and perform the safety analysis to calculate the global factor of safety for the whole problem. Surface of this problem, we can see this is a deformed shape, and if I click on deformation, total displacement, we can see this is the most critical failure surface for this problem. And if I select phase 𝐷𝐸, we can see this is the most critical failure surface. And also we can check the deformation of the retaining wall after filling behind the retaining wall, and click on total displacement. We can see the maximum displacement is about 1.6 centimeter. It is acceptable, and it's about 1.5 centimeter, as you can see. And if I click, for example, on hint to window, we can check the displacement or deformation at a retaining wall. As you can see, the maximum deformation at retaining wall is about 9 millimeters, so it's almost about 1 centimeter. We can also check the lateral displacement separately. So we can see the maximum lateral displacement or horizontal displacement is about 5 millimeters. And also we can check the forces in this retaining wall. We click on this icon, structural forces in volume. And after that we select a concrete and click on detect. So in here you can see we have bending moment. So if I click on force, axial force, we can see the maximum and minimum axial force in this retaining wall. And also if I click on shear force, we have a maximum and minimum shear forces in this retaining wall. And also if I select a bending moment, we can see the maximum bending moment is 112, and also the minimum is 78 kilonewton meter per meter. So this was for this lecture. I hope it was clear. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.